Alright, I got a little bit of free time today. I mean, might be 20 minutes, but I'll take it. I'm looking for the starter on this thing. I got the driver's side inner cover off. I was told that's where the starter is, behind here. I'm going to take this off and see if I can see it behind there. I don't know where it's at, but I can't find the starter. I have a no crank situation here, but the dash is working. So I know the seatbelt, all that has to be, all your safety stuff has to be hooked up and working, and all that seems to be working on the dash. It still won't crank. So I need to find the starter and see if I have power going to the starter. Find the starter relay, see if I got power going to the starter relay. So that's what we're working on. I mean, all this stuff just has the plastic snaps on it, like this right here. They all have them, and they just pop right out with a screwdriver, or they make a tool for it. I use a screwdriver just as well. So, all right, let me get after it. When I find the starter, I'll pick this video back up. All right, guys, we found the starter. Put some light on it. I had to kind of move this out of here. This was in there, bolted in there like that. Take that out. And the starter is right there. Yeah, that's the starter right there. And that's the main wire going to it. So I gotta figure out where that wire is going, what it's hooked to, what it's not hooked to, and see if I got power going there. So we will see. Let's see.